Welcome to our AI Explained series, episode 4. Last time we spoke about MCP servers, which are just ways that AI connects to tools, right? Now we're going to go a level deeper into skills. Skills are just how we teach an AI agent everything we know. Not general knowledge, but specific domain expertise. So these are the playbooks that you already have in your head that you've built over, manual repetition, right? And it pretty much guides the AI on different niche use cases, like here's what to do when you see this type of error. It's pretty much building the AI model's instincts, right? And the wild part is you don't need to write a single line of code. You teach the AI by writing a markdown file. That's it. No code, no training, no fine-tuning. Okay, so now let's go a little bit deeper into what skills are, right? A skill, like I said, is simply just a markdown file. Plain text with headings, lists, code box. The same format that you use to write any form of wiki page, right? Inside of that file, you write domain models, templates, procedures, rules, guides, anything an expert carries in their head. That once a new team member comes, they would need months to absorb, right? With skills, you can tell the AI directly how to do it. Now, these skill files live within the skills folder. Once the agent starts up, it reads every skill files and appends them to its system prompt. Now, this just means that the AI sees your knowledge before the message. It's not searching for it and it's not retrieving it on demand. It's baked into every response. Think about it like this. If memory is the agent's personal journal, skills are the textbooks on its desk. It's always opened and it's always referenced. Now, let's get a little bit into how exactly they work, right? So here's the pipeline. Very simple. You have a skills folder, and in the agent framework, it's going to look something like agent-framework-skills, and inside each skill gets its own subfolder with a skill markdown file. At startup, the system reads every skill markdown, concatenates them, and appends the whole block to the system prompt. Claude or whatever model that you're using reads the prompt on every single message. So if you have a sales objection skill with responsive templates, the AI has those templates in context for every conversation. It doesn't need to look them up. It doesn't need a tool call. They're just there. Right now, across our skills, we're injected over 40 to 50,000 characters of expert knowledge. That's roughly about 8,000 to 9,000 tokens, well within the context window. And it means the agent has deep operational knowledge in every response. The folder structure is simple. Each skill is isolated. You can add, you can remove, and you can update them without touching anything else. You dump a file in, restart, and you're done. So let me walk you through a few real life examples of skills so you can kind of understand it just a little bit better. So let's say we wanted to have a sales object. Let's say we wanted to have a sales objection handler. Imagine you're training new sales rep and you write a skill that maps common objections to proven responses. A customer says it's too expensive. The AI pulls out a value comparison framework. We already have a solution and it walks through switching cost analysis. A new rep with these skills sells like someone who has 5 years of experience. Another example could be like a student essay reviewer. A teacher could write with how they grade, citation format rules, common mistakes, and every time a student submits their essay, the AI checks the structure, the argument flow, referencing, and grammar, and it gives you feedback just like a tutor would, specific, constructive, and instant. Third, a finance compliance checker. An accountant writes a skill with rules, reporting deadlines, required disclosures, audits, and a bunch of other stuff, right? Ask about any transaction and the AI flags what needs attention. No more flipping through regulation documents. Each of these skills probably take about an hour to write, but they save hundreds of hours for the people using them. Okay, so now let's get into why this actually matters, right? And here's why I think skills are the most important concept in this whole series. No code is required, but if you can write a wiki page, you can teach an AI agent. That means the people with the deepest domain knowledge, senior engineers, SMEs, can directly transfer what they know without needing a developer to build it. It's instantly shareable, You drop a skill markdown in the folder, restart the agent, and your entire team now has knowledge in every conversation. A new hire on the first day, they'll have the same experience and the same handbook as the most experienced engineer. Another great part about this as well is it compounds. Each skill you add makes the agent smarter. 10 skills means 10 domains of expertise. It's always available, it's never forgotten. The key takeaway from this is the best AI agents isn't the one with the best models or the best parameters. It's about the one that knows your domain. Skills let anyone teach it that domain in plain English with zero code. That's the power of skills. In the next episode, we're going to talk about lessons, right? And it's going to go a little bit deeper into how AI remembers whenever you correct it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our 5th segment.